Hey guys, it's Michelle. It's been a very long time since I've uploaded anything onto YouTube or anything on social media, but here I am again. So the first half of this video, I will be telling you guys 15 things about me, and then I will also be answering questions that were asked on Facebook. So number 1, I was born and raised in Minnesota. Favorite food, it's very typical, but I love pizza, and I'm really into Italian food. I'm not too big on Asian food, which is ironic. My favorite drink, or drinks, my go-to are just water and tea. I don't really do anything else other than that, ever. My favorite colors are maroon, red, black, dark gray, white, and blue. My favorite season is fall. I have 4 other siblings. I have three other sisters and 1 brother. One thing that a lot of people know about me is that I am left-handed, but I only write with my left hand. Everything else I do with my right hand. So it's kind of, I don't know. But I guess, yeah, I'm left-handed. I am Christian. My zodiac sign is Pisces. My favorite ice cream flavor, I don't really eat ice cream. I'm more of a frozen yogurt type of person. But if I had to choose a favorite type of flavor of ice cream, I would probably go for strawberry or mint chocolate chip. On weekends, I would rather stay in versus going out. I'm not too much of a going out person. I don't wear glasses or contacts. One weird thing about me is that I don't usually eat breakfast, or at least eat right away in the morning. I have a dog. I do. She's right here. Her name's Lola. She loves licking though. I got her from my uncle and aunt. So shout out to you guys. Last thing, number 15. I've never taken singing lessons or choir in school. I think the furthest I've gone with doing anything music related in school was being in the school band. It was fun. But yeah, I've never taken singing lessons or anything of that sort. I grew up in a family that was really into music. My dad plays the drums and other instruments, and my mom sings, and that's kind of where we kind of got it from. Alright, and now we are off to answering questions from Facebook. These are a lot of questions. PK Yang asks, are you planning to make your own albums? What makes you motivated in singing? And are you and Amanda sisters? The album. It's a very, very slow process right now. Mainly because I am a full-time college student. I'm taking about 17, 18 credits, so that's a lot on my plate. What makes me motivated in singing? I think what makes me motivated is just the joy in doing it. I enjoy doing it. Music is fun. Are Amanda and I sisters? Yes, we are sisters, for those of you who have been wondering. Paulie asked, how do you cook your noodles and what condiments do you use? I don't know. I don't eat noodles, or at least I try not to. when I have that option to eat noodles. Boo Vince asked, will you be willing to work on collaborations with other artists? What are your thoughts on the female-owned community, such as singers? Should they continue with their passion in singing or put it to an end after being married? Would I be willing to work on collaborations with other artists? I would love to. I think that'd be so fun. I don't have any one specific in mind, but I think it'd be really fun. I'm open to any kind of genre of music, really. What are my thoughts on the female community singers, on whether they should continue or end after being married? I can't really say. I've never really been in that position before because I'm not married. And the last question goes out to Chow Moa. Chow Moa asked, what is one thing that I can't live without? One thing that I can't live without are my loved ones, my family, those who have helped and supported me. They've helped me become the person I am today, and so I wouldn't be anything without them. And so that wraps it up for the Get to Know Me video plus Facebook Q&A. If you haven't already, like this video or subscribe to my channel for more updates. And also if you want to add or follow me on social media, links are below. And to those who I didn't get to answer questions, I'm sorry. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. And I'm sorry to those who I couldn't fully answer any questions or answer any questions to your liking. But thank you guys. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!